Hey, what's going on? Joe here at ya. Got myself another box to open for you, and this one's for all the pro wrestling lovers out there. This is Pro Wrestling Crate, June 2018 edition. Let's go ahead and open this puppy up and see what's inside. If I remember right from the website, this month's theme is going to be women in wrestling. So let's check it out and see who's in here, or what's in here. Yes. Yeah, this month's theme is the ladies of wrestling. And the other side of this card shows what's all in this shirt. So let's go ahead and check it out. First off, we have ourselves a little pin. It's in the shape of a diamond, and it says Tessa Forever on it. And looks like Tessa Forever, they're referring to Tessa Blanchard. Not quite familiar with her, but I do recognize the last name Blanchard. There have definitely been a few professional wrestlers famous for that name, starting with Joe Blanchard and then his son Tully Blanchard of the famed Four Horsemen of the 80s. So let's go ahead and put that aside for now. It looks like we got ourselves a few t-shirts, but I'll do those last. Let's go ahead and set those aside for now, shall we? Alright, next up, we've got ourselves a pair of sunglasses. Let's see what it says about those. These are Tennille Dashwood aviator sunglasses, it says. Metal frame. Let's see. How do these look? What do you think? What is it? Is that a mirror finish on there? It is a mirror finish. Okay, alright. Tell me what you think of those. And we've got ourselves the Queen of Spades playing cards. Queen of Spades referring to Shayna Baszler. Not sure who she is. Let's see if there's anything cool about these cards. Or whether it's just basically a plain deck of playing cards with the name Queen of Spades on them. Let's check that out. I want to see if there's anything cool on these cards. Come on, open up. Alright. It's just basically your normal deck of playing cards, and it says the Queen of Spades on the back. Queen of Spades. And it's just a normal deck of cards, basically. Yeah, that's a little disappointing. Would have been nice if they would have, I don't know, put some pictures or something on, but no, it's just a basic, plain deck of cards. Alright. But next up, this could be kind of cool. From High Spots Wrestling Network presents In the Ring with Luna Vachon. Don't know if you can see that exactly. A lot of glare. Let's see. So this is some kind of DVD about Luna Vachon. I'm not sure if this is some of her matches. The late Luna Vachon, I should say. She just passed away a few years ago. So I'm not sure if this is a DVD of some of her matches, or whether it's like some shoot interviews in it. I'll have to check that out later. Okay, and next up, we have ourselves a micro brawler of Candice LeRae. That's pretty cool. Not sure exactly who she is. Might have to look her up a little later on. And lastly, looks like we've got ourselves a poster here of the wrestler Kelly Kelly. Attractive lady. Okay, and that looks like that is it for what's in the box. Now let's take a look and see what we have here in the t-shirts, for the t-shirts here. All right, we have ourselves a t-shirt with the name Amy Dumas on it. Amy Dumas is better known as Lita in pro wrestling. And she was just an awesome female wrestler. She had a lot of high flying moves, aerial moves, and just really awesome wrestler in the ring. Definitely respect her work. Next up, we have ourselves, let's see, a t-shirt of Rosemary, for Rosemary, Join the Hive, it says. A little skull action on the front there. Pretty cool looking t-shirt. And let's see, one more thing I'm supposed to be getting, and I am, okay. Whew. For a moment there I didn't think I got it. In every box you're also supposed to get like an 8x10 picture, autographed picture in every box. And that's what I got here. I've got an 8x10 signed autographed picture of Vickie Guerrero, hope I'm saying that right, who is the wife of the late awesome Eddie Guerrero wrestler. Eddie Guerrero was just an awesome wrestler back in his day before he passed on. Too early too. But that's his wife there, Vickie Guerrero, who decided to step into the ring after he passed on. Very cool there. All right, and that is it for this month's box of Pro Wrestling Crate, June 2018. If you have anything you'd like to say about it, go ahead and please put it down in the comments. Also, if you like this video, please go ahead and just like it. Subscribe to my other videos if you'd like to check more of these out. And with that said, I'll let you go and talk at you next time. You all have a good one.